So what should you eat when you're on semaglutide? I get this question a lot as to recommending certain diets or certain classes of foods, what to eat, what not to eat. And I think what's most important here is actually focusing on the individual. If you know that intermittent fasting is working for you, I would stick with that. If Mediterranean diet really fits your lifestyle well, I would stick with that. I want you to simply make better choices long term that are sustainable for your lifestyle, because that's really what we're looking at is long-term impact, losing weight and keeping the weight off when using semaglutide. So one of the key factors is simply making better decisions, and semaglutide helps you do that by suppressing the appetite and increasing the fat and sugar metabolism. No matter what you do, when you're on semaglutide, you will lose weight. But if you don't alter anything from prior to utilizing semaglutide to after weight loss occurs, that weight will come back. So it's really about developing those long-term habits, changing certain ideas that you have in your lifestyle that may help you keep that weight off, because the weight will come off with semaglutide. That's not a question. The question is, can you keep it off? So what can you eat when you're on semaglutide? Can you eat meat? Yes. Can you eat fish? Yes. Can you eat vegetables? Sure. Can you eat fruits and fibers? Yes. Can you have protein powder? Yes. My point is that you can eat almost anything you want when you're on semaglutide.
Oh my God! Wow!
The important thing is making better choices. Are you going to have baked fish or fried fish? Are you going to eat steak that's heavy in fats like a ribeye, or a leaner meat like chicken or pork? So you can eat whatever you want when you're on semaglutide. I think it's simply a matter of making better choices and eating less with portion control. So semaglutide is going to help you make those better choices as well as help you portion control, because it is going to help suppress the appetite and promote greater satiety where you get fuller quicker. So what is semaglutide? Semaglutide is the generic name for Ozempic. Ozempic is that commercial you've seen on TV probably with the sing-song. And Ozempic came out about 5 years ago as a drug to help treat diabetes type 2, to help lower blood sugars and help control blood sugars in type 2 diabetics. It not only helped control blood sugars for diabetes type 2 patients, it also helped them lose weight. So the manufacturer for Ozempic decided to remarket it and resubmit it for FDA approval as Wegovy. So Wegovy is the exact same thing as Ozempic. It is simply FDA approved for treatment of obesity versus type 2 diabetes. So Wegovy, Ozempic, semaglutide, all the same thing. Semaglutide is a revolutionary new drug that helps suppress your appetite and retrains your body's metabolism to help you lose weight. It does it in such a way that's different from previous weight loss drugs that would raise your heart rate and have a long-term negative impact on your heart. And semaglutide is extremely easy to use as a once-a-week injection that makes it so easy to fit into anyone's lifestyle. In summary, you can eat whatever you want when you're on semaglutide. Semaglutide will simply help you eat less so that you can lose weight. If you want to learn more, visit us at dropweightmd.com or click the link below in the comments.